picked up some speed. Okay, this is Skip and Ron on our way to chase the big boy. Here we go. For the chase, and I'm checking out some of the points that we plan to stop along the way, hopefully, depending on conditions and time and stuff like that. So let the chasing begin. So Ron and I have set up just down from the train station at Washington Street, and we are right now enjoying some shade, but we're still an hour and a half away from when the train's even supposed to be here. So let the adventure begin. We hear the train. It's on its way. Yep, there it is, Ron.
Shot. I'm sorry.
So are you collecting these pictures? Are you going to post them or are you going to sell them?
Well, I'll post them eventually. Mostly at the back of people's heads, though.
Yeah.
Now, the hard part begins. The chase part. You picked up some speed, so we missed our first stop.
So what is the next one?
Is it the question?
The Lake Bridge?
Yes. Alright, I'm gonna have to look. I was hoping it would go to automatically go to the next leg, but it didn't.
Did you make it? I did not. I got it on this camera, but
You know, right over there is the Auburn.
Yeah.
We're in Auburn,
we're
Illinois.
Yeah, Auburn, Illinois.
War Eagle.
War Eagle. Next.
Hey, camera, tripod.
You gotta go, buddy.
Well, we actually made that one in Auburn of all places. So here we go. We're gonna continue on. See how far we can get to the next stop without getting hit by a car or a train. we were just south of Girard, and now we are riding across cornfields on the left and on the right, and we're going to see if we can jump ahead. A lot of traffic, more traffic than I anticipated. Okay, we've made it to St. Louis. We're waiting on the longest left turn signal in the world. Here we go. We're trying to get under this big steel trestle bridge over here.
There's people down there.
Yeah. Here's a bunch of people down here.
Down here.
Go down here where these people are.
So were you gonna fly here?
I wasn't planning on it. I was just gonna point. Oh, I hear it. Do you hear it? check out the train up close. Look, right here. And
that's a pretty good shot. I went like almost kind of all the way down there, and then I found a mound of dirt to stand up on to give me a little bit better vantage point. But we're done the cameras.
yeah,
right?
Except for if you want to go over to the arch.
I gotta go to work.
Everybody say woo! Wow. Wow, that was incredible. Just the experience alone was incredible. Ah. Here's my lens cap. Both of them. I hope so.